One of your most favorite Chinese lemon chicken dishes is easy to make at home with crispy, golden chicken tenderloin pieces. Have delicious Chinese lemon chicken on your table in 30 minutes. Ingredients needed for Chinese lemon chicken. For chicken, 21 ounces 600 grams chicken tenderloins cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons Chinese shaoxing wine or white vinegar. 1/2 cup cornstarch. 1/2 cup vegetable oil or canola oil. For lemon sauce, 1 tablespoon oil. 3 teaspoons minced garlic. 1 teaspoon minced or finely grated ginger. 1/2 cup chicken stock or broth. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Juice of 1 lemon about 3 to 4 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons honey. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoons cornstarch dissolved into tablespoons water. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds to garnish. Thinly sliced green onions to garnish. Lemon slices, to serve optional. How to prepare Chinese lemon chicken. For the chicken, 1 dot in a large shallow bowl, whisk egg, soy sauce, and wine. Add in chicken, mix well and allow to marinate for 20 minutes, covered. 2. Place cornstarch into a large baking tray. 3. Pour chicken and marinade into the cornstarch and coat chicken pieces evenly, lightly pressing the cornstarch on the chicken. 4. Heat oil in a large wok, pan or skillet over medium-high heat. 5. When oil is hot, 325 F or 165 C, shake off excess cornstarch and fry chicken in batches in a single layer for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning halfway during cooking until golden and cooked through. 6. Drain on a plate lined with paper towel. 7. Discard oil and wipe the pan over with paper towel. For the sauce, 1. Heat oil over medium-high heat. 2. Saute the garlic and ginger until fragrant, about 30 seconds. 3. Add stock, soy sauce, lemon juice, sugar, honey, and a pinch of salt. 4. Whisk. Bring to a simmer until the sugar dissolves. 5. Whisk cornstarch mixture into the simmering sauce and stir until thickened. 6. Toss chicken in the sauce until evenly coated, about 2 minutes. 7. Garnish with sesame seeds, green onions, and lemon slices. 8. Enjoy your homemade Chinese lemon chicken.